Okay, starting a new video. We're at that rock, and I just happened to see a broken tree right there. Broken trees are pointers. For Sasquatch, for a few different things. And that one is pointing that way. So you know what I say? Let's go find out over there. Let's go check it out. Might be a trail over here. That's what usually you're pointing to. A trail. Or something else. Hey, this is where I live. Come on over and see me. There's another broken tree right there. It's an older one. Right there. And we have these other items right here. Into this tree right here. Probably broke off from up there and fell right here. Very possible. And it's pointing that way. Pointing in the opposite direction. It looks like it's a trail right through here. And then zoom. Okay. Whoop. Walked toward the branch, my hitting it. Alright. See what's over here. Little trail going right through here. It doesn't show it on camera, as well as it does from where I'm standing. And if I talk too much, feel free to mute me. I will not be upset, because I won't know. Pond. The swamp, I should say. Lots of lily pads. Lots of mosquitoes buzzing around my head. Alright. Take a pretty picture right here. Pretty picture. Alright. This way again. Yeah, that's a trail right here. If you can see it very well. No. There's some more of those things right there. I just found another tree. What are those things? There's more of them right here. Huh. Look at these things. What the heck are these things? Big mushroom right there. No mushroom. Take a picture of the pretty mushroom. Goes down all the ways. You know what? I don't fear touching it. I'll stick it back with afterwards. Some kind of fungus or something? Weird. It's all around the base of these trees, big trees. See me up there? Take a photo. Maybe there's a cloaked Sasquatch up there watching me pooping. Like the poop man. Yeah, poop right on the tree. Got it all around this tree. Second tree I see like this. Strange. massive trees too. Okay, now let's continue our walk along this trail. Yeah, I think it goes that way. It goes the opposite way I was walking. None around that tree. None of those around that tree. Here's the other side of the tree, the other side of the base. It's all built up. Anybody have any idea what those are? They look like turds or something, but I have no idea. I have never seen that. Alright, let's walk a little bit more this way. See what we find. Uh-oh, roadblock. Oh, make sure I'm on zoom again. Oh, okay. Double check. Okay, so there is a big tree. I don't see anything like that around this one. Lots of branches. Oh, trail's right here. Let's see where the trail goes through. Stepped on that one and broke it. That's pretty fresh. Let's see more arches, really. The trail goes right through there. Alright, well. Okay. Well, I'll go back this way. Okay. Let me get out of here. Oh, a broken tree. I thought that was a large rock. Let's check it out. There's a tree. Alright. A rock wall. Alright. There's that tree again. And look, it goes all the way to the top. Spreads out to 3 large trunks. There's a small broken tree right there. Now, sometimes those are used as height indicators as well as showing the strength. So the male shows the strength to the females. Hey, man. Hey, sweetheart. Check me out. I'm going to break this tree. Well, go ahead. Break it. And they reach up. Usually at shoulder height. And using their muscular arms, they break the tree. And she says, "Oh, you are so strong. I want you for my mate. You're gonna make big babies. Strong babies. Let's get together and go horizontal." I don't actually say that. That's what I've been told. Again, by Rachel King. Oops. Sorry, I didn't mean to move that. Step back. Get back where it belongs. Yeah, let's be walking, Richard. Oh yeah, there's that broken tree. They use that as a height indicator, strength, showing off their muscular abilities. Oh, a couple of broken trees right here. Huh. 2 of them. Skeetle right in my face. Get out of my face. And then we have this one over here, which is right close by. It's the one I showed you earlier, the one we followed. These are old, ancient. I'll go this way. Breaking a stick. Alright, I'll break it. Look at this. A lot of dead branches. Alright. I think this is the way it came, but I'm not 100% sure. This is the way we're going. Breaking sticks along the way. Branches, I should say. Oh yeah, that's right. Going this way. Ooh. I want to fall down there. It's a long drop. It's not the falling that hurts. The impact. Yep. Somebody took a bite out of that tree. Some more of those little things. What are these? Where's the camera? Right there. Small right here. Alright, this is where it came from. Resting in this tree for a few minutes. The old knees are not what they used to be. Excuse me, my sniffle. Alright, skeeters have found me again. No rest for the weary. There's a trail right there. I think man trail. Screw it. Alright, let's see where the trail is. Hang on. Where am I? Right there. Straight ahead. Straight ahead is a trail. Alright. This way. I'm using a Gaia app today. Started with old trails and yeah. You go to look at the map and it's got me in some other country. It's like, what am I paying for this app for? Pay $30 a year. Stick me in some other country. I'm not a guy. Out of the country. Alright, here's the rock. Here's the rock wall we'll go through. Here's that roadblock again. Up and over. Okay. I gotta go this way. Sorry if I talk too much. I apologize. I try to be quiet for a while now. Yeah, right back where I started from. Alright. That's where I went in. That's where I came out. Alright. Good sense of direction. That's those are not, they may look like X's, but they're not. 2 leaners going one way, 1 leaner going the other way. Not an X. An actual X. Settling. I heard a bicycle behind me. You know, the clicking of the gears. Turn around, there's nobody there. It's funny. They do have the ability to make a variety of sounds that they've learned over the centuries, passed down from generation to generation. So it's about 2 feet high, maybe. It's a little one, baby one. Watch out for that rock. It's a doozy. Trip ya. Excuse me, clear my throat. Nice breeze right here. Few birds, at least one. some action going on over here. Take photos. Something might be looking at me. You never know. Okay, that's where we came from. And this is where we're going. This little hill. Sniffing. I can watch my footing here. Nice little hill. Gonna get the hot racing here. Take a gander at what's going on around me. Still hear some birds, good. I have no idea what kind they are. Should, but I don't. Jed might know what kind of birds they are. He spends a lot of time in the woods. Jed, what kind of birds are they?
They're birds with wings.
Oh, that really clarifies that. Anybody want to see me? I'll show you me. Hello. All right, that's how you go. All right, big rock here. I'm not going to say the name of the foundation, but the Blanks were early settlers moving from Chelmsford to Blank before 1973. They purchased land north and west of Lake Blank, previously known as Blank Pond and Blank Pond. They gave land to several sons who built homes along Blank Road. Blank Road and two on the old Blank Highway, which led from Keene to Exeter. This is the foundation of one of those two homes. The name Blank was in use until 1740, after which time both spellings are common. So, that's all you get. And that's the rock. You can see a plaque right there. I'm not going to show you what the plaque is, because then you'll know where I am. And this is evidently where they had their foundation, or their home. In fact, are those berries over there? No, I don't know what kind of berries those are. Anybody know what kind of berries these are? Leave it in the comments below. If they're good, I'll come back and eat them before Sasquatch gets them. Now, the last time my wife and I were here, this is funny. Excuse me. I had changed the battery about 10 minutes from here. And when I got to that point where that sign was, after I read the information to myself, the camera went off. Now, when I changed the battery, okay, there's an upside down Y right here. You can see it very well. Right there. We are friends. Well, that's right, that was for me because their vine is growing on, so it can't be for me. Or somebody else. So anyway, I was done. When I change the battery, if I do not hit record right away, the battery, the camera will stay on for about, I guess, like 2 or 3 minutes, and then it'll turn off. Oh, it's really grown up over here since we were there. Alright, trail sign right there. I'm not going to show it to you. Looking at the ground, back over here. Power lines. Sun, power lines. I think we can take a right here. Let me see. I'll go back in the shade. Couldn't see anything in the sun here. Hang on. Let's see. Where am I here? Map. Map is kind of small all of a sudden. Okay. So, yes. I believe I can take a right there. Let's see. I'm going to take it right there anyway. Alright, so it's 9:22. Okay. Back over here. See if this is a trail or not. Not sure if it is. Like a tick trail here. And this is a trail. People walked on it. Yeah, last time I was here, those bushes weren't that tall. This is a year. Lots of growth. Take a shortcut here. Ticks in through here. Tick pants. Somebody's walked through here. I guess somebody's laid down over here. Tick check. See in here my pants. I did spray my pants with Promethean. And my shoes with Promethean. It's supposed to be a tick preventer. The other way is to walk all the way to the other side of the power lines. There's another trail over there. I said take a shortcut. That was buzzing behind me. Bee maybe? Okay. Looks like other people come through here. I'm going through here. Sasquatch trail. Be thick in here. Good. This is where I want. Let me check my map. Looks like it. Yeah. I don't know why this map is so small all of a sudden. Okay. Well, I guess we'll go through here. Made it this far. Gotta watch my step. Nothing worse than going through an area you're not familiar with. Here we go. We don't have snakes around here. I don't know where the hell I am. So around Whistales came through all that. So right in here is water over there. Let's see. I don't have my boots on. Shit. I don't want to get my feet wet. Darn. This is Sasquatch trail. Alright, well, that sucks. Alright, let's go back. The swamp over there. Oh, the swamp. Oh yeah, the swamp right here. Yep. Yeah, it's a swamp. Turtles over there. Alright, well. Not where I was expecting to end up. Not a problem. Okay. My mistake, folks. Okay. Maybe I'll stop someplace. It's over here. It's over here. Cross over here. Let's try this. Ooh, it's all wet. So he's been through here. Alright. Land ho. So I guess I didn't save myself any area to walk through. Chuck here. Sure any ticks on me. Just other things. Alright. So we came from over there. And now we're over here. Here's a trail. That's okay. I think this is a trail here. It's a trail. Oh. Yep. Alright, well. That was an adventure. Let's see. sure I know where I'm going here. Map. Come on. Oh, come on, stupid things. Alright, here I am right there. Alright, it's not working very well here. Don't know why. Stupid freaking. There we go. Shoosh kababi. Alright, found the map. Okay. 9:31. Alright. Holy crap. That's not the way I want to go. Alright, so I'm gonna go this way. Let's see. Let's go check out the sign over here. Pointing the other way. Hey, breeze. Alright. Alright, so I'm confused. Alright, I'm gonna get back to you. Hang on.